Hi there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to use command keys and shortcuts in Microsoft Teams to allow you to be more productive. Now, I've got Microsoft Teams opened up here. I'm in the calendar section, but it doesn't really matter from the left navigation options here which option you have selected. I'm in the calendar one at the moment. I've got the dark theme enabled, so if you're wondering why mine's different, I've got the dark theme enabled here. But at the top, this is the most important part of this video. At the top here, you've got the search bar. Normally what you would do with the search bar, you would search for specific files, specific chats, specific people's names, so on and so forth. But you can type in shortcuts in this search box at the top. Now, if I just click on it and then type in the /, what it will do, it will bring up a list in a drop down showing you all the different commands you can do within Microsoft Teams. So at the moment, if I scroll to the right side, you can see I'm appearing as offline here. Now, what you can do, the first command, you can obviously check on somebody's activity within your organization, see what they've been doing. The next few commands is you are able to set your online status. So at the moment, I'm appearing offline, but I can set my status to become available. So if I type in the word available just after it, let's spell it correctly, click on enter, it will change. It will give me a message here to say my status is now being set to available, and you can see my status, in fact, on the right side has got the green tick there saying that I'm available. So /, I can choose other statuses. So I can choose busy, type in the word busy, click on enter, and it will give you a message to say I'm now busy. And you can see next to my photo here, my online status is busy there. So that's just a quick and easy way to change your statuses. However, there's other things you can do with these command shortcuts. So if I scroll down, you got available, away, BRB, busy. You can call somebody. So if I just type in the word call, then the name of the person I want to call, it will call that person. Again, the next one's chat. The next one, set your status as do not disturb. Again, that's another online status you can change. You can find your or see your recent files with the / files option. Again, I can search any page or search the page I'm specifically on at that moment with find. I can go to a team or a channel with the go to command. I can get help within Microsoft Teams. I could join a team with the command join. I can see keyboard shortcuts. So if I type in keys, and it will give me a list of keyboard shortcuts I'm able to use within Microsoft Teams there. If I go back / there, scroll down, I can see all my mentions. So if I've been working really hard, I haven't been able to keep on top of my Microsoft Teams, I can check to see if anybody's mentioned me there. I can set my status to appear offline. I can see someone's, again, organizational chart. I can create a pop-out chat in a new window. I can see my saved list. I can make a test call. I can see all the unread activity. Again, really useful. Even obviously if you've had a really busy day and you want to get organized, you can check all your unread activity there. You can check out what's new in Teams there. Again, and the last one there, the who option, ask who a question about someone there. So those are the quick and easy command shortcut keys you can use. However, the other one I wanted to highlight, just reiterate, is the keys one again, and that will give you all the keyboard shortcuts there that you can use within Teams. Please check it out. Hopefully this video will improve your efficiency and productivity within Microsoft Teams. Before I finish, let me change my status to do not disturb. So / DND. Click on enter, and my status is now do not disturb. There you go, and that's changed there. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.